You work in the middle of your 12-hour shift, but you didn't bring any food from home, so you're not sure what to eat during the day. You're likely going to A, eat at the cafeteria, or B, pizza party. There's usually a pizza party in the week, right? Or there might be food from family members and leave in the nursing station or wherever break rooms, and you rely on eating that. But in your heart, you feel guilty about it because you're trying to either lose fat, stay lean, or just generally be healthy. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you what you should eat during a 12-hour shift so that way you're not in that position again. So let's get into it. So we have a problem of not knowing what to eat. Well, to start, you need to have a structure in mind so that way you stay on top of your goals. This is where meal prepping comes in. You need to meal prep always before you start your shift. Meal prepping will help you plan ahead of time, so that way you don't default to convenience. Convenience meaning the cafeteria, possibly eating the snacks or desserts from coworkers or family or patients. There's basically food everywhere in a hospital. So you want to at least have that control of bringing your own food so that way you actually eat it and you have the power to say no. Because you remember the goals, and the goal is to stay lean or lose fat or trying to stay healthy. Now, for your meal preps, you want to have protein. Protein number one. Protein is satiating, it keeps you full, and it helps retain muscle or trying to grow it. You're also having real food, so you're likely going to include complex carbs like rice or pasta, for example. This will remove the guesswork. This will help you know what you put in your body. This will make you feel in control. This will make you feel healthy. And that's pretty much the main thing in the video. You just have to prep beforehand. If you prep the meals, you will have structure, not willpower or discipline, because you cannot rely on those two. If you have your structure and you follow it to the T, then you're going to be successful in achieving the goals that you want. If you like this content so far, then you should check out this next video that's going to come up.